Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2019 SEAT CUPRA Ateca 2.0 TSI DSG 4Drive, a high-performance SUV that delivers power, practicality, and advanced technology. At the front, the bold CUPRA grille, sleek LED headlights, and aggressive bumper design give this SUV a striking road presence. At the side, the 19-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and sculpted body lines enhance its sporty appeal, while the electric folding mirrors add convenience. At the rear, the LED taillights, 360-degree camera, and top view camera provide excellent visibility, while Park Assist makes maneuvering effortless. Powered by a 2.0-liter TSI petrol engine, this CUPRA Ateca delivers exhilarating performance through its DSG automatic transmission and 4-drive all-wheel drive system. Cruise control ensures comfort, while multiple driving modes provide a dynamic driving experience. Stepping inside, experience a digital cockpit, an intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and navigation for seamless connectivity. Finished in Rhodium Grey with a Half Alcantara-Leather Interior, this CUPRA Ateca is built for both excitement and everyday versatility. The spacious rear seats provide premium materials and generous legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. A large cargo area makes this CUPRA Ateca practical for daily commutes and weekend adventures. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration ET68 EPC to book a test drive or request a video tour.